Alright everyone, this is going to be an unboxing and demonstration of the Fellows Areamax Baby Air Purifier. So this is what it says on the front of the box. Four-stage filtration, True HEPA filter, Area Smart, Ultra Quiet. Designed for medium rooms. Side, how it works. And here is the back. Now I also have a Fellows Areamax 290, which is the black version of the 300 model. It's a bigger model compared to this, but relatively the same features, except this one has a lock button and ability to turn off the lights. Alright, now let's just open this up. And inside is the actual unit. Now I might have to pause the video, but we'll see. Yeah, 1 second. I will be right back. Alright, so here's the unit out of its box. This is what was protecting the unit. And here's the actual unit. The plastic just comes off like this. And I'm sure this just rips right off. Yep. And complete instruction manual. Thank you. And this is a coupon or something. You can see that. Oh. Register. Thank you. Let me see. There's this right here. Alright. Get this out. There we go. Filters in this sealed. Alright. Once again, I will be right back to get this out of the bag. And here's the Fellows unit, now plugged in, ready to be turned on. This is what it looks like before I do turn it on. It's a basic white unit. Doesn't look very babyish at all. That's the on and off switch, so let's go ahead and turn it on. So here we go. So you can kind of hear it, but it's very quiet. Right now that blinking button is the automatic mode. It's currently sensing. Down here is a light sensor. Well, not light sensor, but if you can see that, it turns down the lights. So they're a little dimmer. It doesn't turn them off though, but that's okay. If you hold this in, any button you push, won't change the settings. Alright. This is the plasma true, and maybe you can hear that. We'll see. Oops. Alright, so this is the Fellows Areamax Baby now plugged in, ready to be demonstrated. Before I do demonstrate this unit, I'm just going to show you some things up close. This grill right here, you can actually move to direct the air where you want it. That's a control panel. There's the base. This is the back. And let's go ahead and turn it on. So it should start out in the automatic mode. That it does. Right now it's sensing for the quality of air. That's the indicator. Currently it's blue, so it runs it low. That means that the air quality is good. Amber means that the air quality is mediocre and it'll go to medium. And red means the air quality is bad and it goes to high, but it doesn't go into turbo. Let's see, automatic mode. This is the different light intensities. Gets a little darker. It doesn't turn off though. But bright. Just keep it on bright. If you hold this button in, it activates the lock mode. Any button you push will be ignored. The only way you take it out is to hold it in, and you're done. So currently it's on low, but I'm going to bump it up to medium. It does get a wee bit noisier. Not too bad though. And then high. Which does sound like a regular fan. And then turbo, which does get to be quite loud. So yeah, you can definitely hear it on turbo. Low. Now I don't know if you can see it, but it's not illuminated. But there's a HEPA and carbon filter indicator that will light up to let you know when it's time to change the filters. And that bottom button is the Plasma True technology, which if you hold it in, you can turn it off. And there you have it. That is the Fellows Areamax Baby Air Purifier. Thank you for watching.